Morning guys! Samahan niyo ako ngayon sa aking paglalakbay. Sa first time po ngayon ng ating alaga kong si Kotong. Pupunta po kami sa mall ngayon at titingnan ko kung ano yung kakainin namin doon sa Foodland. Gusto ko kayong ilibot sa Alamwana Center Mall dito dahil yun po yung pinakamalapit dito sa amin na mall. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, meron tayong SM, meron tayong Trinoma, meron tayong Robinson Mall, meron tayong Mall of Asia. So dito naman po, tinatawag na Alamwana Mall Center. Malapit lang po ito dito sa aming bahay. Siguro mga 4 minutes drive mula po dito sa amin, papunta po sa Alamwana. So, samahan nyo ako at dahil first time namin ni Cotton, mag-iikot-ikot kami at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kagandahan ng mall dito sa loob, ang mga food court dito at kung ano-anong mga pagkain sa food court. Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pagkain doon sa Foodland dahil madalas po kami nasa Foodland pag nagsha-shopping po kami ng pagkain. Mahilig ako kumain, syempre. Ito po si Jeannie Pinay Hawaii. Tara, samahan niyo po ako sa aking journey ngayon ng aking Cotton. The first time ko siyang isama, kaming mag-asawa sa Alamwana Mall. Hello, magandang umaga mga kabayan. Ito po si Jeannie Pinay Hawaii. Gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo ang kagandahan ng Waikiki Beach. Ito po ay malapit lang sa amin sa aming bahay. So kung kami po ay maglalakad dito, inaabot po kami siguro ng mga 5 to 6 minutes ang paglakad po namin papunta po dito sa Waikiki Beach. So makikita nyo po dito napakadami pong turista dyan. So mabuti na lang kami medyo nasa 5 blocks away kami dito sa Waikiki Beach. So hindi masyado kaming maraming tao sa aming lugar. Pero pagdating po dito sa area na to, dahil nga po dagat siya at marami po talagang pumupuntang mga turista dito kung saan saang bansa, talaga naman po mabibigani kayo sa mga lugar na makikita mo dito. Ang dagat, open po ang kanyang napakalawak na sand, pati po ang mga palm tree, ang mga puno, and then kapag po kayo pumunta talaga dito sa Hawaii, makikita nyo po talaga na napaka-greenery talaga ng mga plants dito. Para po ba talagang napaka-sariwang-sariwa talaga po ang hangin. So, ngayon po papunta kami sa Alamwana at ipinapakita ko po sa inyo ang kagandahan ng Hawaii at sana makarating din po kayo dito balang araw sa Hawaii. At nandito po kami sa island ng Oahu at ngayon papunta na po kami ngayon sa Alamwana Mall dahil yan po ang aming target ngayon na ipasya po namin si Cotton dahil first time niya po na pumunta dito sa Alamwana Center Mall na tinatawag, kaya I'm sure, sigurado ako, magugustuhan nyo rin po ang lahat ng mga ipapakita ko sa inyo na mall dito. Although, alam ko na marami din tayong mall sa Pilipinas, pero gusto ko lang pong ipakita sa inyo kung ano-ano po ba yung makikita mong pagkain dito, especially pagkain dahil ako po ay mahilig mag-grocery ng pagkain at saka kung ano-ano pa rin pang mga product na kung gusto niyo pong mamili dito sa Alamwana Mall. Ang Alamwana Hawaiian Center po, ang lawak po nito is 220,000 square meters. At kung mapapansin po ninyo, napakalaki po ng parking lot dito. Good morning guys! I'm back, si Jeannie Pinay Hawaii. So nandito po kami ngayon sa Alamwana Center at maghahunting kami ng mga iba't ibang food. I-check namin ang Foodland kung ano yung makakain namin ngayon. Tara, samahan nyo kami ngayon dito sa aking journey na pagkain ko since kararating ko lang galing sa Pilipinas. So, i-enjoyin ko muna ang Alamwana Center dito at kakain
Ito
kami.
na ang star of the show, si Cotton. Dahil first time niya dito, alam nyo na, eto, aamoy-amoy na naman. Lahat yata ng walls at lahat ng poste dito, inaamoyan ni Cotton. Bakit nga ba ganun sila?
every time you get them, and we'll take you to eat.
Pagpasok mo pa lang po sa level 1, makikita mo na po dito ang store ng Macy's. Napakalaki pong department store din ng Macy's. At ito po ay open air. Itong mall na to, gaya po siya ng Mall of Asia. Pero mas malaki po ang mga store nila. Katulad po nitong Apple store nila. Pumasok ang asawa ko para lang po mag-check kung ano po yung mga latest generation na ngayon ng mga bagong labas ng Apple. At chinek niya kung ano yung mga latest ng MacBook Air at ang MacBook Pro na ginagamit niya sa pag-edit niya. Ang Alamoana Mall po ay nagko-compose po siya ng 360 shops at meron din po siyang dining na 160 dining na makakainan po dito. So talagang napakalawak po talaga ng Alamoana Mall. So meron din po siyang mga iba-ibang high-ends na makikita nyo dito around this area sa Alamoana Mall. Kaya lang kami medyo nag-iikot-ikot lang lagi dito kasi nga po alam nyo na magtitipid-tipid din kami sa budget dahil kahit nandito kami sa Hawaii, kailangan po talagang magtipid. Hindi po ganun kadali ang buhay sa ibang bansa, lalo na dito sa Amerika. Medyo talagang naghihigpit din po kami ng sinturon at nagbabudget po talaga.
Good morning, everyone. How are you? We are here at Alamoana Shopping Center. Today is what day is today? Tuesday?
June 1?
June 2.
June 2?
Right. And we're just taking a walk, and of course, we're taking our little boy with us. He's enjoying it and wanting to pee in every column. We're trying to avoid it, but we can't sometimes. So we're gonna spend a little time here and then go eat down at the food court. And we'll show you what we're gonna get this time. We don't even know, to be honest with you.
And of course, we bring our baby Cotton
Yes, he's
here
right here.
and he's enjoying it. And every time he saw paws or something new to him, you know him, he smells a lot.
He has to put his stamp of approval.
That's the Bloomingdale's and then that's a Nordstrom. So here you can see a lot of high-end like Prada, Chanel, and that area is Louis Vuitton, Cartier.
So here at the Alamoana Shopping Center, there's so many different kinds of foods. Also, we wanted to go to Foodland, and they have really a good selection of goodies over there. So we're gonna pick 3 or 4 things that we like, and we're gonna show you that also.
So guys, alam nyo naman ang mag-ama ko, eto, lagi ako ang taga-camera woman nila dito. So, eto sinasabi ko sa inyo, pupunta kami sa Foodland. Check natin kung ano yung makakain namin dito, no?
So we're here at Foodland. As you can see over my shoulder here, we're gonna go get the food that we told you. They have prepared foods that are great. So we're gonna show you, okay?
So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Foodland. So, magche-check kami kung ano yung kakainin namin ngayon. Since tanghalian na is time check is 12 o'clock na. So, tignan natin kung ano yung kakainin namin o makikita namin pagkain dito para makapag-lunch kami.
So we are inside. We're going to be walking over to where the food is and decide what we're going to eat. We don't know yet.
Okay guys, ililibot ko kayo dito sa Foodland. So ito yung nakikita nyo, mga iba-ibang fruits at saka meron din dito mga, ayan, paborito natin yan. Tapos dun sa area yun, nandun ang mga salad o yung mga green leaves, then andun din yung mga prutas at saka mga gulay. At dun sa area yun, makikita mo dito guys, napakadaming pagkain dito. As you can see, and then may fresh flowers din dito. May pineapple, may banana, at meron din siyang papaya. So, gusto namin din pumunta dito lagi sa Foodland kasi napakaraming iba-ibang choices na makikita ka. Boo, what do you want? What do you want?
I'm sorry?
So, which one you like? There's so many
I wanna
choices.
try some of these ribs.
Okay, this
And,
one.
Yeah, these ribs right here.
And
the
this is
honey gochujang glazed
What?
pork ribs. I
Okay,
want to try some of the Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
Yes, kimchi Brussels sprouts.
Okay, this one, ginger
this
scallion.
is ginger and scallion steamed fish.
Okay.
So, and what else? This guy's already tired of walking.
Decided to get this one, the chili black bean steamed fresh scotch. So I'm gonna get some of this. It's yummy. Okay, and let's see. Rosemary chicken, pork instantes, miso chicken, beef chili with kidney beans. No? Okay, I'll get that one. But
Rosemary chicken. Did you
Yeah.
did you get some of that? Or
No.
Get one piece at least.
one piece of,
Just to try, yeah. So we try different things.
okay.
Okay. Then you go to the other side.
You want this, right?
Yeah, I did a couple or two or three of those. And
Okay, and
Brussels
what
sprouts.
Brown sprouts. Okay.
And did you get a piece of chicken?
Yeah.
This is ginger and scallion fish.
Sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. Okay, he likes this one too. So, ayan o guys, napakaraming choices, no? Tsaka dito guys, so, napakarami rin siyang, meron din siyang wine dito, tsaka poke, musubi. So, ang daming tao doon. is my booth. There, we're gonna go self-checkout or what? In the cashier?
The cashier, because they're gonna wait that, I think, right? Or is
Okay.
it per box?
I think they're gonna weigh it.
Weigh it.
Guys, eto guys, yung cold food dito sa bar, $11.99 per pound. So, kinikilo nila yon. So, eto kukuha ka dito and then dun ka magsiserve kung ano yung gusto mo. So, $11.99, no? And then this one too, ito naman yung hot food na $11.99 din siya. Same thing na kukuha ka doon, pipili ka, and then kikiluhin sa cashier. Thank you so much. Ayan guys, palabas na kami, nakakuha kami ng pagkain. Titingnan natin kung masarap tong kakainin natin, no? Gutom na ako. Okay guys, papunta na kami dito sa baba sa food court sa level 1 kasi dito kami kakain dahil nakabili na kami ng pagkain sa Foodland, so nahanap kami ng table. I hope na makakakita kami ng table sa baba dahil lunchtime. So very busy dito. Tsaka ito, alkaline water na binili din namin. And here is the star of the show, of course, ang aking anak na si Baby Cotton. At ito yung guys, ang food court dito. Napakalaki. Na-vlog ko na ito the last time na yung aking food court sa Alamwana. So ito, lagi kami pumupunta dito dahil maraming choices, no? Marami na rin kami nakainan dito. For the meantime, hanap po na kami ng table para kami makakain. Aloha! No rice. Okay guys, we're here at the LA Brisket and look at this, wow, brisket here. It looks yummy. We're gonna try it today and see how it goes. Ang hirap humanap dito guys ng table kasi lahat occupied siya. So sana makakita kami ng table dito. Saan kaya pwede? Kasi wala kaming makitang available na para kaming nangahunting ng isang, ayun, buti na lang may nakita kami. Yay! There it is! Nakakita kami dito.
Okay, so this is what we decided to get. This is what we showed you guys when we were getting it. We got the Brussels sprouts, we got the rosemary chicken, we got some pork spare ribs, and we have two different kinds of fish. And then of course, I couldn't leave without getting the spicy imitation spicy crab. That's what it's called.
And also,
Oh, and a bottle
this
of
one, a bottle of
Alkaline water.
alkaline water.
All this cost us $26 to be precise, because
And that's what? $26.
Okay, hi guys. We're gonna like, what do you guys more we got?
this is a big chunk.
Okay, I'm never buying from you again.
So I'm gonna try the spicy imitation crab, which I love. Gets better every time I get it. Spicy enough.
Right down, film there.
It's just a combination of taste between the imitation crab and the sauce, the cream. This one I'm gonna try the Brussels sprouts first, because I love Brussels sprouts.
We're not gonna stop it again. It's good. It's so good.
Mmm. Very good. This is actually kimchi Brussels sprout. And you can taste the kimchi.
Sorry, it's not working.
I'm gonna get a piece of the rosemary chicken that we have. See how that one. It looked real good. Let's see if it tastes the same. Or it's tangy also. You can taste the rosemary obviously, but it's very tangy, very good.
Since I love fish, so I choose this one. Let me taste this. There's the fish is really tasty, enough salt and pepper.
I'm gonna describe for you guys the spare ribs. But if you don't mind, I'm gonna get it with my hand because I'm terrible to grab it with the chopsticks. I'm very bad at chopsticks.
I didn't even see that chair.
So here it is.
We all share.
Very tender, delicious, very very good.
My sister left with Junior said by accident.
And also guys, hindi ko dito mamimiss ang Jollibee kasi may Jollibee rin dito. Ang sarap po ng Jollibee dito, tsaka crunchy talaga, tsaka tasty. Tsaka yung mga nagwo-work dito guys, mga Pilipino rin. Ayan. Ayan, nakalabas na kami. So, nag-decide kami kumain uli nitong paborito naming yogurt ice cream kasi gusto namin ng healthy dessert. So, ito ang Yojung yogurt ice cream. So, ito po yung makikita mo dito na Mashiyu Everyday Sweet Day. So, ayan o guys. So, para din siya.
Any of those if you want.
Yeah, so may
But
mga
I don't
toppings
like
din
any of
siya.
those because it's so
Yeah,
candy.
we want healthy.
I want a strawberry.
Oh, there's a mochi. And also this one. Cereal. Mandarin, orange, strawberry. Dun din, o-order ka dito guys. So, pag order ka dyan, mag-choose ka ng mga pipikapin mo kung ano yung gusto mo, then magbabayad ka dito. Then, doon mo siya pipikapin. So, o-order na kami. So, ayan yung mga pino niya. Kung ano yung o-orderin mo dyan. Yummy! Guys, this is the amount,
We were here a
10.45.
few days ago.
I know, I remember.
Oh, okay. But we liked it so much, we had to come back.
Hi, hello! Is yummy! Ito the honeycomb, guys.
The honeycomb.
Ang sarap, no?
That's really a delicacy.
Okay.
So this is what we wanted to show you guys because this is new for us anyway. We were walking around and we just saw it, and it's 3 scoops of yogurt. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 scoops of yogurt. They put a lot of chopped strawberries, and this time we got popping boba, peach flavor, and of course, this being the star of everything, really, which is the honeycomb. This is very expensive and it's a delicacy, full of honey, obviously. So there you go. Excellent. So tasty. Good yogurt. And the flavor with the peach and the honey from the honeycomb is delicious. This is gonna be our next go-to every time we come here.
And of course, the star of the show. Yeah, this is awesome because Cotton is a good boy all the time. Uy, suplado, oh. Oh. Ay, Papa. He's a shy type, Cotton. Cotton, are you a shy type? Okay, we're ready to go home. We're done. Finally. We're going home. Si Cotton, sobrang pagod na yan. Ang dami niyang nilakad eh.
Sana nagustuhan niyo yung aming pinakitang mga pagkain na nilibot namin dito sa Alamoana Center Mall at dito sa food court. So, ang sarap ng lahat ng pagkain, no? So, na-miss namin yung mga pagkain dito.
Let's go home.
Okay, guys, we're totally satisfied. So thank you for coming with us. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. And we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you for watching sa aking Pinay Hawaii. Sa susunod na vlog ko, mag-content na naman ako ng US visa journey ninyo. I'm sure excited na naman kayo sa mga susunod kong i-vlog. So, ngayon for 2 months kong nawala, medyo nagpahinga muna po ako. Alam ko, iniintay nyo uli ang aking susunod na vlog para sa visa ninyo. Bibigyan ko kayo uli ng other content. So, maybe leave a comment below kung ano po yung gusto nyong isuggest sa akin. So, thank you for watching. Like and share and comment. And subscribe na rin po kayo sa akin sa newcomers dito na nagnood sa akin ng aking food trip sa Alamoana Center Mall. Thank you!